Welcome back, Filmaholics. My name is Kyle Kendrick, and in this channel you find anything and everything filmmaking. So if you guys want more of that, consider subscribing. But until then, let's get on with the rest of the video. So I've been gone for quite a while. It's been about a month and a half, and the reason for this is because the holiday season and the place I work at, which is a movie theater, was just gonna be super busy, and I couldn't do much on this channel, and I wouldn't be able to create quality content for this channel for that. So I really want to pause and just wait until I can start creating again and have a weekly setup, which is it's going to come back. It's gonna be one video per week, just like how it was. But I'm gonna try and add more reviews, and during that whole break, I was trying to see where I want this channel to go and what future projects I want to do, how I want to change this up, and that will be announced in the future because again, it's still in development up in here. I'm still working on a few kinks, and then once it's able to be made and uploaded, I'll announce more on that later. But for right now, again, the schedule will be right back where it was, but I'm gonna try and add more reviews in there. I want to get better at those, so I'm gonna add some more of those. If you want to check out my past reviews, go ahead and check this little thing up here, and it's just gonna put you in that playlist. So check that out if you guys want. Also, if you want to like and subscribe, please do so now. If you want to see more filmmaking stuff, I'm gonna try and do more short films, possibly with some friends. And I don't even know. This year seems both exciting and depressing, but that's, you know, that's 2022 for you with the start that we had. So let's get on with that. And if you guys want to check out the gear I used to make this video, all my past videos in the review box and whatnot, just go ahead and check the links down in the description below. There's gonna be at no extra cost for you guys, but it will help out the channel, so help us out over here. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and dream on.